So guys, let's learn this easy and fast, okay? But before we do that, if you're new here, you're new to this channel, I want you to subscribe, like, and also share this video to your friends. And if you are interested in learning how to play this instrument, that is a bass guitar, you see the link in the comment section below. Click on the link, it will take you direct to my WhatsApp, okay? So guys, grab your bass and let's begin with the tutorial. I'll teach you how to play this very easy. It is easy when you understand the movement of the bass line, okay? So the song was played on C sharp, okay? And it's a normal song which we all know around Africa or maybe outside Africa. Let me break it down. You know that this kind of bass line is more advanced. So if you're a beginner, let me just give you a simple bass line before we move to this, okay? Okay, so let me break it easy for you. So here, let's focus on the progression and C. So beginners only. Da da do mi da 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 da. You see, so it's very easy. So darling do mi da da fa la da 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 do mi da da da. You have your so T da 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 do mi da 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 fa la da 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 do mi so T do mi. Okay, so with this you can even bring in a ghost note. Da 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 da. So you understand? So at the start of every root note, you bring in that ghost note. So you play for the start, just don't get confused. You play do mi, then fa la do mi da da. You can bring in this. That is 1 2 5 do re so ti da 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 da. Understand? Okay. So now let's look at the breakdown and see. So, darling G says, darling G says. So this is what he played from 1 to 4. Da da da. You understand? 1 5 do so do do so mi fa. Darling G. You see where I started? I started from my G on my root. Darling G. You understand? Okay. So this is what he played. Darling Jesus. So he didn't come back to your 1. He came to the 3 and he'll be going to the 6. Okay. So darling do so do do so mi fa do fa fa. Okay. You understand? So that is 4, or let's say fa do mi. You understand? Okay, so you should understand the timing. Darling G says. So now we're going to your 2 and 5. Okay, you understand? Okay, so da 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 da. You understand? Okay, so ba da da fa do mi. Then do di re mi fa so re. So let me show you how he played this kind of ghost note. It goes like this. Okay, so you play on your so, that is your root so, then your re, then you ghost note on your re, then you hit your so octave. So see, okay, you can also ghost note on your so Okay, you understand? But this is how I do it. Okay, I go note on the re string, that is your third string. Then I pluck on the so, so, then so re do. I hope you understand. Okay, so darling G. You understand? So when you play so re so re so, you go note on, that's your so root. Okay, that's your root so. Then you pluck on the so. You understand? So re so then re do. Okay, so let's see what he played. So re do do da. That was what he played. So when you don't play so re do bam bam 4 do so mi do fa. You understand? Do so mi do fa. You understand? Okay, darling Jesus. You understand? Do so mi do fa. Then let's see. Fa la re. So when he played fa la re mi fa so. Yeah, I think so. So fa la re mi fa so re so la so. You understand? You see that feel? So bam 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 bam. Do so mi do fa. Do so mi do fa la re mi fa so. Then re so la so. Re so la so re mi so do. You understand? Okay, so let's see how he continued after playing that fills. So yep, I think I got it. So la so re mi so do so do mi so do so fa. You just need to take it slow, master it very well. Re mi fa so re so la so. That's it. Okay, so from your fa fa do fa do. You understand? Okay. You understand? Okay. You see? So fa do back to your one. Okay. So from your fa to your do, fa do do so la re so la so re mi so do. So let's see what he plays. Do so do so la fa. You can even use this in any song, any praise song. Okay. You understand? Okay. Fa do la re so do. You understand? Okay. Fa do la re so do. So you understand? Okay. So make sure you memorize them very well. Practice them with the original song that was sung by Bliss. Yeah. So practice it with it. I think that song is very slow, so you can practice with it and get the movement and how you can use it in the song. Okay, you can also use this in another song like that is from your 1/4. You understand? Then you can end the song. Okay, so I'll be seeing you guys this coming Sunday, or let's say Tuesday. Bye for now.